I've got the OnePlus 13 and a PS5 controller, and I'll be showing you how to connect a PS5 controller to your OnePlus 13 so you can use it to play games and whatever it is you want to do. So the first thing you need to do is put the PS5 controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, you just need to long press the power and share button, these two buttons here, this one and this one, this and this. Okay, so long press on those two buttons until the light on the controller starts blinking rapidly. So you can see there's a rapid blue blink. That means the controller is in pairing mode. So what you need to do now is go to settings on your OnePlus 13, Bluetooth, and then it's going to start scanning for available devices. And you can see the DualSense Wireless Controller has been detected. Tap on it to pair, and it's going to ask for pairing request. Just tap on pair and it's going to get paired and connected. Literally that simple. Okay, so you can see I'm even using it to scroll right now as you speak. Okay, you can go back, and you can scroll through the apps, stuff like that. It's best used to play games, but that is basically how to connect. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.